Flying a drone in 2026 no longer means emptying your wallet, and today on Tech Fact we are diving straight into the smartest budget picks that actually deliver real performance. These drones are built for smooth flying, sharp cameras, and stress-free control without premium price tags. Whether you want stunning travel shots, cool social media clips, or just the thrill of flying, this list has something made for you. Every model here is chosen for reliability, value, and features that really matter. If you enjoy clear, honest tech breakdowns, tap the subscribe button and stay part of Tech Fact. Also drop a like if drones excite you and comment which one you would love to fly. Now let's take off and explore the 5 budget drones that are dominating 2026. Number 5. Roku F11 Gym 2. For drone enthusiasts who want a bit more endurance and flexibility without spending top-tier money, the Roku F11 Gym 2 is a standout budget choice that delivers serious performance. One of its biggest strengths is the extendable total flight time thanks to 2 batteries included in the box, giving you about 28 minutes per battery, so you can stay in the air longer and capture more without interruption. Its 4K camera with sturdy gimbal means your videos look clear and steady, and GPS navigation gives you precise hovering and reliable return-to-home features that take the stress out of flying. Intelligent flight modes like waypoint navigation and orbit keep your shots dynamic and creative, and the drone's wind resistance and stable frame make it feel confident even outdoors. Roku also put effort into thoughtful details like level-assisted hovering and automatic safety features that help beginners get good results quickly. Whether you're shooting scenic landscapes, exploring new outdoor locations, or building a library of drone footage for your channel, the F11 Gym 2 strikes a great balance of capability, flight time, and price that feels hard to beat in the budget category. Number 4. Holy Stone HS110D. Not every budget drone needs to be a high-tech cinematic tool, and that's where the Holy Stone HS110D shines. This is the affordable, fun, and straightforward drone that's perfect for people who just want to learn to fly and grab cool footage without fuss. It has a 1080p camera with a wide-angle lens that's more than enough for casual video and snapshots, and features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff/landing make it incredibly forgiving for beginners. You'll also find fun extras like voice and gesture controls and simple stunt modes like flips that add joy to your flights. The total flight time is shorter than more advanced drones, around 10 minutes per battery, but Holy Stone often includes dual batteries so you can switch and keep going. It's lightweight and stable, so you'll feel confident flying it in parks or backyards, and because it's budget-friendly you won't feel stressed learning the ropes. Whether you're making beginner drone content, doing family videos, or just honing your piloting skills, the HS110D manages to package intuitive fun and basic camera capability in one affordable bundle. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. If you want something that feels like a step up from basic toy drones without breaking your budget, the Potensic Atom SE is a fantastic all-around choice. This drone comes with GPS-assisted flight control, meaning it can hover accurately and return home automatically if the signal gets weak, which makes learning to fly much less stressful. You get 4K video with anti-shake technology, so your clips come out steady and crisp even when you're cruising through the air, and the foldable design means it fits in a bag easily for travel or outdoor shoots. With up to 31 minutes of flight time and a range of a few kilometers, it's perfect for capturing landscape shots or exploring new terrain without constantly running back to recharge. The app interface gives you modes like Follow Me and Orbit, so you can add creative movement to your videos without manual piloting expertise. While it doesn't have full obstacle avoidance or professional-grade sensors, the Atom SE gives beginners and hobbyists a fun and capable flight experience that feels modern and reliable even at a friendly price point. Number 2. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo feels almost futuristic in how tiny and simple it makes drone flying. It's an ultra-lightweight camera drone that's perfect for beginners or content creators who want to capture cool footage without lugging around a big rig. Even though it's small, it can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second and 12MP photos, and its stabilization system keeps footage surprisingly smooth given the price and size. What makes the Neo especially fun is how easy it is to use. You can launch it from your palm or connect your phone or controller to fly it, and there are quick-shot modes for one-tap cinematic clips. It's incredibly portable, so tossing it into a backpack before a hike or weekend trip feels natural. The internal storage is built in, so you don't have to worry about microSD cards right away, and the intuitive controls mean beginners can be confident flying fast. While the flight time is around 18 minutes and it doesn't have advanced safety sensors like higher-end models, for social media content and everyday adventures this drone punches well above its weight in value and creativity. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K. If you want a seriously capable budget drone that feels polished and modern right out of the box, the DJI Mini 4K is one of the best picks you can make. This little flyer weighs less than 249 grams, so in many places you won't even have to register it, yet it packs a stable 4K 30 frames per second camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal that keeps your aerial video smooth even in breezy conditions. The video feed and control link use DJI's OcuSync technology, giving you up to a 10 km range, which means you can explore far horizons and still see what the drone sees in crisp detail. With about 31 minutes of flight time per battery, you have plenty of time to frame those travel shots or cinematic clips without constantly landing to recharge. Intelligent modes like quick shots and panorama help you get eye-catching footage with a tap, and the wide feature set makes this drone excellent for beginners and hobbyists who want professional-looking results without spending a fortune. If your channel is about travel or creative aerial footage, the Mini 4K is a standout budget choice for 2026. That wraps up today's flight through the best budget drones of 2026, and each of these picks proves you do not need a huge budget to enjoy amazing aerial tech. From smooth video to reliable control, every drone here brings something special to the sky. If this helped you decide your next flying companion, hit like to support Tech Fact, subscribe for more smart tech guides, and leave a comment sharing which drone impressed you the most. More exciting tech is on the way, so stay tuned and keep exploring.